Hi, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about something that I've been thinking about a lot lately, and it's this idea of escaping the digital world. And what I mean by that specifically isn't so much of less phone use or deleting social media apps from your phone, but rather this idea of turning the photos that are on our phones, on our computers, into physical and tangible work, specifically through prints. This is something that I preach to my clients all the time, and yet when you look at our home, it's very evident that I'm guilty myself of not doing this enough. Now, to my defense, we do have photos and albums in our home, but for someone who takes photos for a living, I think it's appropriate that we should have more photos and prints in our place. So for the past couple weeks, I've been compiling photos from 2021 along with photos from the beginning of this year, and I'm going to place an order of prints in various sizes along with frames to go along with those prints, and we're going to order that today. All right, the orders are placed. I will see you when they get here, hopefully within the next week, and I'll see you then. They're here. The photos and the frames are here. So why am I making this video? Honestly, the answer is really simple. It's just to encourage you to print your photos. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we live in a digital world where we're so used to looking at images online, on our phones, on social media, and it almost feels like printing photos has become a novelty. But through this process of printing photos, and as I look around at all the prints that we put up in our home, I'm reminded that when we print our photos, when we make them physical and tangible, we bring those moments back to life. And I don't think it matters so much whether you're a photographer or if you're not, but my guess is that if you looked on your camera roll on your phone right now at this moment, that there's a handful of photos that are definitely worth printing out. So because I am a photographer, I actually use a gallery system and platform called Pic-Time, which is where I opted to print all of my photos out. And so that's just what I use for all my clients, for all my personal work. And I just love the vendors and the ease of use of the platform. So that's where I decided to print my photos out. If you're a photographer and you're interested in maybe trying out Pic-Time or looking into their gallery system, I actually have an affiliate link below that you guys can use to get a free month off. And yeah, it's great. But you don't have to go through a platform like I did. I mean, you can go to your local CVS, Walgreens, Costco down the road and print your photos and get them within, honestly, a few hours. Again, the entire point of this video is just to encourage you to print your photos. It's something that I have been thinking about a lot and haven't acted on, and I finally did. I'm so happy that I did, because as I, again, look at all the photos in our home, I'm so happy that we went through this process, and we go through such lengths to take beautiful photos when we're traveling, to take photos of our loved ones. So why not adorn our homes with those photos by printing them out and bring those moments back to life?